Nobody warns beginners about this. Your biggest competition isn't big YouTubers, it's speed. Right now, beginners with zero experience are editing faster, posting more, testing ideas daily. Not because they're grinding harder, but because AI is quietly doing the work. And no, I'm not talking about AI will replace you drama. Relax, we're not in a sci-fi movie. Tools. I'm talking about free AI tools that already perform freelance-level tasks, the same tasks people use to get paid for. If you're building a YouTube channel as a beginner, this video can save you months. And the last tool is the one most people misuse, which is why they never grow. Tool 1. AI that edits for you. Editing is where beginners burn out first. Free AI editors now. Cut dead space, auto caption, sync clips, resize for shorts, if editing still takes you hours. You're doing freelance work manually in 2026. But clean edits don't matter if your video has nothing worth saying. Tool2 AI that writes like a creator. This is where most beginners either win or disappear. AI script tools can generate hooks, story flow, retention, beats CTAs, but using AI to just write scripts. Is exactly why many channels stay invisible. Hold that thought. Because even great scripts fail when visuals don't stop the scroll. Tool 3. AI design and thumbnails. Design used to be a skill wall. Now AI creates thumbnails, visual hooks, backgrounds. If your thumbnail looks okay, YouTube treats it like it doesn't exist, so people click. Now you need YouTube to actually push the video. Tool4 AI for titles and SEO. This is silent failure territory. AI can rewrite titles for curiosity, optimize descriptions, find what beginners actually search. Amazing videos die every day because their titles didn't. But here's where freelancers really separate themselves. Tool 5. AI that multiplies content. One video turned into 10 pieces of content automatically. AI repurposing tools cut long videos into shorts that actually make sense. Consistency isn't discipline anymore, it's a system. Quick interruption. If you want AI explained for creators, not tech nerds or fake gurus, subscribe to Digital Compound. Everything here is built for beginners who want leverage, not burnout. Alright, final part. Tool 6. AI as a workflow. Here's what beginners miss. AI isn't a tool, it's a workflow. Freelancers don't get paid for effort, they get paid for outcomes. AI lets you move faster, test more ideas, improve without waiting, but learning random AI tools is the fastest way to stay stuck. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are learning AI instead of using it correctly. They watch tutorials, save tools, feel productive, and nothing changes. In my next video, I break this completely. I'll show you why learning AI the usual way is slowing you down, and what to do instead if you actually want growth in my next video. I'll show you why learning AI the normal way is slowing you down. Stop learning AI like this. Do this instead. Watch it before you waste another week preparing. I'll see you there.